Hi, Rachel.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Eating.
Like, what else is new, right?
I don't know. This is taking too long.
What are you making? Scrumptious.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, these carrots are frozen.
Ew, that's gross. Let's look at the refrigerator, shall we? And this is the Scheffres 202 refrigerator, ladies and gentlemen.
Face cream.
Yes.
An old tuna fish sandwich. Carrots. Brown stuff.
I've got to wash that.
Coleslaw. Do you have any ice cream?
Let's take a look at the freezer.
Oh, this is what I'm having for lunch.
That's what I'm having for lunch.
Ew.
Ew! God, we need some help, don't we? We need to get some help. What do you
I'm really
think?
hungry. I'll eat anything right about now.
And that's the story of Scheffres 2.